Hi guys, welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Rather interesting vehicle here. We've got the McLaren 600 LT. We've just fitted one or two nice driver safety systems to it. So we've installed the Stinger VIP, which is an obvious thing that we were going to put in this vehicle. What we've done is created what we call a float mount. So we've got the mount here that holds the Stinger VIP, so it looks like it's floating in the air. So very, very clever. The system is removable. If you follow us, then you know a little bit about the Stinger VIP and you know what it's capable of. It's a very, very clever bit of kit, very high end, but it suits this car perfectly. You know, something like this, you just wouldn't want anything stuck on top of the dashboard. It would be absolutely hideous. You know, so it needs a discreet installation and it needs something high end like the Stinger VIP. Second thing we've done to the car is added the target Blu-Eye, which is just at the top here. So that's emergency service vehicle detection. With every target, we add a valet switch. I'm just going to switch that on, little hidden switch, brings the system on. So this will warn us of all emergency service vehicles, so ambulances, fire engines, police cars, unmarked police cars, anything that could pose a danger to us. So it's a safety system, it's very clever. I'm going to turn it off. The reason why it's beeping is because it's detecting the fire station nearby, because they use Tetra radio. So it's great before the cars leave here, we can test them thoroughly because we're close to the fire station. It's going to switch it off again. We've also installed a witness camera, so difficult to see because of the contrast, sorry about that. But it's the new Q800 by Thinkware. It's an exceptional bit of kit. It's got true parking mode, it's got Wi-Fi, etc, etc. We've also installed a rear camera, which is tucked away in the back there. Not an ideal position for it, but actually in this car there's really nowhere else it can go. It needs to be discreet. A customer doesn't want to see it. So there you go. That's a little look at this incredible sports car, or supercar, not a sports car. It's got a fantastic interior. Everything about it is super cool. It's brand new, as you can see. It's only a week old, in fact. Everything's Alcantara, Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Absolutely beautiful car. How much would we like one of these one day? There you go. Thanks for watching. If you've got anything like this, or anything not like this, and you want some serious driver protection installing, you know where to come.